Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding crypto on Kraken and ready to cash out to your bank account in 2025, you're in the right place. With the crypto world evolving fast, withdrawing your funds securely is more important than ever. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Kraken account. If you haven't already, head to the Kraken website or app and enter your credentials. For added security, always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. If you haven't done so, it's a game changer for protecting your assets. Once you're in, navigate to the Funding or Wallet section. This is where you'll find your balances. Look for the Withdraw option, usually right next to your crypto holdings. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then choose Withdraw to Bank, or a similar fiat option. Next, you'll need to enter your bank account details. Double-check everything here, your bank name, account number, and routing number, to prevent any errors that could delay or lose your funds. Kraken might ask for additional verification, so have your ID or other details handy. After that, review the withdrawal amount, including any fees. In 2025, expect fees to vary based on the crypto and your location, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Before you hit confirm, make sure to verify with 2FA. This extra step ensures that only you can approve the transaction. Once confirmed, your withdrawal request will be processed. Depending on Kraken's policies and network congestion, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days to hit your bank account. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Always withdraw to a bank account in your name to comply with regulations, and never share your withdrawal codes or details with anyone. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And remember, crypto prices can fluctuate, so time your withdrawal wisely. There you have it. Withdrawing crypto from Kraken to your bank account doesn't have to be complicated. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.